We're going to build a comprehensive chat application that will be combined with WhatsApp Messenger and Telegram. That's why I was thinking about to create a comprehensive data schema for our chat application. So I'm investing a lot of time to creating this. Okay, so suppose we need session-based authentication and authorization. For this is the user schema, and this user schema has a lot of just relationships with other schema like notification status, reactions, or seen messages, as administered messages, memberships, etc. Okay, so if we focus on our main schema, and our main schema is just clean, and we have just some role, and we are using Prisma schema. That's why we are able to build multiple Prisma schema file in the Prisma/Prisma schema directory. So if we focus on chat.prisma, this schema, and this chat schema, we have just every chat unique identifier for every chat, name, description, image for every chat, like admin ID who is just created this set and will be able to multiple admin for every chat. Okay, and this is the member list, messages, it is relationships with other tables. Okay, and the notification status with every chat and block users message status, like chat member relationship between user and chat, and we'll implement like archive add, pinned add. So like messenger features we will implement here, like archive add. When the user archive a chat, then this message will be just removed from this chat list. Okay, just expand it. This chat will be just removed from the set list, but it will be should keep on the archive list, but not will be deleted. Okay, also we'll be able to pin messages like messenger or WhatsApp. To pinned message will be, or pin chat will be shown at the top of our list. And deleted ad, and deleted ad will apply for every single user side. That means suppose I am chatting, I am just connected with my friends in the chat, and if I delete chat, only I am deleting for my side. Message will be not deleted for every side. Okay, only by my side. And when we'll get a new message, then after deleted at time, after this time when will be deleted and deleted by, that means it represents every single user who is deleted, and deleted at after this time will get the latest message after deleted at. Okay, so notification status will implement like muted until how much time we need to mutate a chat. This is muted status, like block, muted, or unmuted. And this is the block user. That user can be able to block or unblock a user in our application, or just group admin will be able to block for group members. Okay, and we'll be able to see who is just blocked and blocked time. That if we set this, then after this time the chat will be automatically unblocked. Okay, and if we focus on message schema, so this is our message schema. This is a simple message schema. There will implement, so every message should a lot of enum of media type like audios, videos, documents, or images. Okay, any type of files user will be able to share. And this is relationships with these tables or schemas sent, and whenever user will be message sent. And this is the status. So if we go to the message status on user Prisma, go not user Prisma, schema.prisma. So here is our message status, like online, offline, idly. Oh, sorry, this is the message status. Then like whenever user will be send a message, the message will be default behavior. It will be just we have set it as sent. After that, if both user or the other user is online, then will be a message delivered, and if user seen message, then you will be make this message as seen. Okay, so I have invested a lot of time to build this schema, and I was thinking to create a comprehensive schema for implementing every features from both of the applications. And how much time it will take, and it does not matter. We'll try to complete a full featureable chat application like WhatsApp, Messenger, and Telegram. So we'll combine both of the application and make a combined chat application. Okay. So every message will be able to add reactions, and any type of reaction user will be add on every message, and we will be extend features just later. So this is just the default what we are gonna build, and this is the message seen status. So who is seen and who is message is seen, and this is the ID of every message. Okay, and it is this relationship with message and user. So this is a simple schema, but not actually simple, and it has take a lot of time to build this. It is not so easy. Okay, so building a complete messenger application, something like that, and every feature should appear. So create this full feature schema with very difficult, but I think I think this is the time to go forward. And I was thinking that these features need to share with you. That's why I'm sharing these features, and I'm just creating I'm making this video for you. And if you'd like to add multiple fields and tables, just let me know. I'll try to improve if we need anything. I'll share this code on GitHub. You will find everything, and just let me know if we need to add any other features in here. Okay, just let me know. I'll try to improve everything. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to get latest update. I'll try to give an update every day, and I think you will be able to do anything after completing this full project. Okay, so thank you.